Hi, in this video we are going to discuss some of the points from one of my assessments. So the first point is that if we are having an image with 100 class labels, basically it can have 100 different types of outputs, 100 different type of categories. So basically it can be of cats, dogs, 100 categories we are having, and we are having 10,000 images of such cases. Then what will be the dimension of the one not encoding? Okay, so if you remember, when we studied how to handle the categorical data, we discussed about one not encoding in the nominal data. Okay, so what one not encoding does is, suppose we have a gender here and we have male or female, so it converts this structure into this male, female, and then we write 1 if male and 0 if female. All right, so this is the structure that we do, that we proceed with, and the number of columns that is used to represent the one not encoding is actually number of categories that we are having. So if we are having 100 categories here, okay, so the number of columns that we will need is actually 100, first thing. And then we have 10,000 images. Okay, so the number of images, number of rows that we will need is 10,000. So the dimension of data will be 10,000 into 100. The next point says Adam is kind of a optimizer in neural network. Okay, this is something that you can remember. Categorical gross entropy loss is used as a loss function for regression task. Okay, it's false, by the way. Okay, for the next point we are given a type of a question and we have to tell what type of neural network that is. So the flattening of matrix, when we do the flattening of matrix so that we can provide it as an input to the neural network, this happens in the dense neural network that we had just seen. Talking about a little bit about Python, then we have model.evaluate, and this is used to evaluate the final score of the test data after the model has been trained. Okay, this is the function that we use to evaluate the model's performance. Then we have the input underscore dimension, which is used to specify the input dimension. Okay, if I ignore this, okay, so input underscore dimension we are having, and it is used to specify the input dimensions. And the next point is epoch is used to specify number of iteration, and it is inside module.compile. All right, okay, and this is some number play type of thing, that number of inputs of a black and white image is dimension of the image. Okay, so if we are having 100, if we are having 10 by 10 image, then the number of input is going to be 100, right, every pixel. And if the image is color, then for every pixel we have 3 types of intensities, R, G and B. So the input will be equal to 3 into dimensions. So this was about a few points. The next thing that we are going to discuss is convolutional neural networks, also known as CNN.